the solution for one of the toughest finishes to clean: matte surfaces. This is Flitz Kitchen and Bath Matte Cleaner. Designed specifically for delicate matte and satin finishes, this cleaner safely removes fingerprints, water spots, soap scum, and everyday grime, without adding shine or damaging the surface. Unlike traditional cleaners that can leave streaks or unwanted gloss, Flitz Matte Cleaner keeps your surfaces looking exactly how they should: clean, smooth, and true to their original finish. Step 1. Spray directly onto the surface or onto a soft microfiber cloth. Step 2. Gently wipe the area. No scrubbing needed. The formula lifts away dirt and residue with ease. For best results, follow with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any remaining moisture and reveal a clean, even finish. No streaks, no shine, no damage. Just a perfectly clean matte surface. Exactly the way it was meant to look. Perfect for matte faucets, sinks, appliances, shower fixtures, and more throughout your kitchen and bath. Flitz Kitchen and Bath Matte Cleaner. Clean smarter without compromising your finish. To get yours today, visit flitz.com.